Hi, I'm going to go ahead and watch Taeyeon's new video called RAiN. I was probably one of my favorite songs of last year, and I'm excited to see what she's going to bring us this year. So, let me go ahead and press play. And play. It's a slow song. Not a lot of lyrics. She got that Sia here. I like it here better that way than that. I'm enjoying the song so far too. That's the part for me to sing right there. In the room. God, her legs are skinny. Okay, no, they're still skinny. I was gonna say, oh, they don't look that skinny, but no, they're real skinny. Going down and say, I want her to really get into that chorus the next time, like really. Oh, little water. I really enjoyed that song. As you can see, I was just mostly listening to the song because I enjoyed hearing it. It's a good song to me. The only thing I'll say is this: when that second chorus came in, I want her to really go in. I want her to, I want her to go like down, dig deep, sing that song. And then when she started with the what the kind of like scatting, I kind of went to like I wanted Ailee to sing this song. I think Ailee or Ailee, forgive me if I'm saying her name wrong, would have sang this song to pieces. She would have torn it down. That's the only thing. It started real pretty, but then you start needing to burn that house down, Taeyeon. You're building and then you burn it down. She didn't burn it down. You see, and so I think that Ailee would have taken that song even. And so it was pretty for what it was. I would definitely listen to this again. I do like it. I just thought Ailee would have sang it better. I hate to say it like that, but I think she would have sang it better. Or maybe I shouldn't say that because everyone has a different kind of taste of music that they like. I think she would have sang it better to my liking. So, good song, Taeyeon. I can't fault her for the song. I can't fault her for her singing. That's how she sings. That's what she does. And so, good job in that aspect, I guess. So, bye.